it? Whose birthday is today? How old are you today? Not 4. How old are you?
3.
Not 5. You know how old you are. Not 10. How old are you? Not 2. Rock on. There you go. That works. You're 3. Happy birthday.
Want more?
Her first taste of a chocolate shake. Isn't that yummy?
Maybe I've done something like that.
No. Yummy.
Is that yummy?